The editor window lets you to edit all the metadata of a certain file. There are 3 permanent tabs: tagging, stock and tech info. In this video, I will show you how to add a new tab to see certain attributes, and I will also show you how to add custom attributes. But first, let's see the 3 built-in tabs. In tagging, you can edit all the basic attributes of a file. You can add a title, a bunch of keywords. There is also an automatic keywording functions under this suggested keywords. This is one of my favorite. You can add rating, you can add color and the mark too, and you can also write a description and some little notes here. In the stock tab, you can see the attributes expected by your connected stock agencies. Below the fields, a red note warns if any is missing. If you tick the name of a stock agency on the top, the file will be added to the upload queue. In the tech info, you can check all the technical informations of a file. These 3 tabs will be sufficient for nearly every task, but if you need them, you can add custom tab or custom attributes to the editor window. Just open the Settings window and click Custom Attribute Types here in the sidebar, and then here just click Add New, and a new attribute will be created. Now you can add a name to the new attribute, and it's done. Next, you can select the type of the attributes from the drop-down menu. It can be a checkbox, a color, a date, a longer text, a single text, a number, a rating, and you can even create a custom drop-down menus by clicking on Select. If you click on Select, you can add further options too. If you tick Global, the new attribute will be available in all of your projects. After clicking Save, your custom attribute type will be ready to use. But to set the values of the custom attribute, you have to create a new tab. How to do it? Here I show you. After clicking Tabs on the sidebar of the setting window, you can add a custom tab by clicking Add New. Now you can add a name to your custom tab and select all the attributes you want to enclose in the new tab. Just simply drag and drop them from the possible attributes to the tab layout. After designing your new custom tab, click Save, close the setting window, and the new tabs will be there in the editor window, and they are ready to make your work more efficient. Astodi, be organized, be efficient.